Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2003 Mazda 6 luxury hatch, stock reference number 7446. This shape runs from the 9th month 2002 through to the 7th month 2005. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with the bonnet appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, front bumper cover, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, a set of aftermarket 18-inch alloy wheels, all with good tyres, left-hand sill skirt, left boot lid garnish, left rear door has no damage, left sill skirt, left right door has one small dent, right power door mirror, right guard, no damage. Right door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, auto console, auto gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, instrument display cluster, top glove box, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, owner's manual, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and an average 3-spoke leather steering wheel.